Hi friends, Rahmat here. Today I'm going to show you how to make these 3 cards using Craftangles stamps and stencils. The first card is made using the stamp set Bearing Gifts. I've used color pencils and distress ink to color the bear, and I fuzzy cut it to add it later to the card. And for the background I've used 2 distress oxides, broken china and faded jeans in alternating fashion to create my background. And once I was happy with my background, I've added the fuzzy cut bear with foam adhesives, and I stamped an outline sentiment and colored it using a red tip pen. So that is pretty much my first card, almost a 1-layer card, and this is probably the most traditional card in these 3 cards. And for the second card, I've used the stamp set called O Crab, and I've colored it again with color pencils, and I've used the color box petal inks to create the sand. I just dabbed the ink on the base, and then I've used the wave stencils to add some depth to the sand. Then I've used a leftover die cut piece to smudge the clouds using the broken china distress ink. And I just added the crab with a foam adhesive and stamped the outlined sentiment and colored it using an alcohol marker. So that's pretty much my second card. And for the third card, it's a 1-layer card. I've used the stencil Simply Geometric with Distress Ink Hickory Smoke. I've used it with a very light hand because I wanted the background to be very subtle. And then I've used the stamp Ethnic Borders, and I've stamped in black. And I've used fine tip pens to color the red. I was actually hoping to mimic the poinsettias, and I've used an alcohol marker to color the greens. Once I was done with the coloring of the borders, I've just stamped the sentiment in the middle, and I've colored the Merry in red and Christmas in green. So that's pretty much all my 3 cards. These are pretty non-traditional other than the bear card. So I hope you like all these 3, or at least one of the 3. So do let me know if you like and which one you like. And I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. This is Rahmat for Craftangles.